Find the position that feels most natural for you right now. Let your eyelids rest gently if that feels comfortable. Allow your awareness to slowly turn inward, as though you're stepping into a quiet, safe space within yourself. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Inhale a little deeper than before, and exhale, letting go bit by bit. There's nothing to fix, nothing to control, just following the soft rise and fall of your breath. Imagine a wave of calm moving across your face. Your forehead smooths, your eyelids soften, your jaw releases. Allow your shoulders to sink downward, drifting further away from your ears, as though they are melting into the space beneath you. Adjust yourself so that both sides of your body feel balanced. Feel the weight of your arms, your legs, settling evenly into place. Let your body become a living image of ease and balance. As your body finds harmony, trust that your mind and emotions can follow. If thoughts or feelings float into your awareness, there is no need to chase them or push them away. Acknowledge them like clouds passing overhead, and gently return your attention to the calm in your body and the steady rhythm of your breath. Each exhale takes you deeper into stillness. In this space, there is nowhere else you need to be, nothing to achieve. You are simply here, breathing, existing, resting in the simplicity of the moment. Every inhale refreshes you. Every exhale clears space inside you. Begin to sense the surface beneath you once again. Feel the air on your skin. Wiggle your fingers and toes as if gently waking the body from a soft dream. When you're ready, let your eyes blink open, carrying this peaceful awareness into the rest of your day.